Label the resonance structures in each pair as major, minor, or equal contributors to the overall resonance hybrid, then draw that hybrid. So they've given you the resonance structures and the arrow pushing mechanisms for both of them. In order to determine which is major, minor, or if they're equally contributing to the overall resonance hybrid, is to look at the relative stability of the two compounds of the resonance structure, or more if you have more. So in this case, the only difference between these two compounds, as far as stability, is where the positive charge lies. So is it more stable to have a carbocation or to put the positive charge on nitrogen? And really this comes down to electronegativity, which is more stable with a positive charge. Well, carbon doesn't have as great of an electronegativity as nitrogen. Therefore,